This is, once again, our second battle for the second round of elimination. We have the Daraga National High School Defenders of Faith and the STI Olympians, the third seed and the number 1 seed, facing for what could be a must-win battle for the STI Olympians. I am LA Lapid, and together with me is Jasper Abante to open up Bucal Season 6, where Futurize here in our second game of action live here in Ateneo de Naga University Gymnasium, One Media, TV 48 Naga, and Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
Ayan, good morning Bicolandia, and nagbabalik po Jasper and LA dito sa ating second game. Ayun na nga, Daraga National High School with 5 wins and 1 losses. Kung natatandaan nyo, yung kaisa-isang talo nitong ating Daraga National High School ay kontra doon sa USA Falcons doon sa pagsisimula ng ating second round last week. And ito namang ating STI Junior Olympians with 4 wins and 2 losses standing. Napakagandang bakbakan LA dito sa ating second game ngayong Sabado. Tutok lamang dito sa ating Bucal Facebook Live and also to Oragon Sports TV Facebook Live. Hatid sa inyo ng One Media, TV 48 Naga, and Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
Kung matatanda natin, or as far as we can remember, the matchup of Daraga National High School and the USI Falcons, things were going strong between the Daraga National High School in the first and second half, or the first and second quarter of the first half, but it has gone either way between the USI Falcons, because the USI Falcons really tried to catch up with the Daraga National High School, and things go in favor of the USI Falcons, snapping that 5-game winning streak of the Daraga National High School Defenders of Faith, and also doing so in the matchup of kanina, yung first game natin, which is the Daraga National, the USI Falcons and the Genesis Roaring Lions. It was started as an exciting battle, but this time, I think we're gonna be much ready for this matchup today.
Alright, so abangan din natin LA kung ano yung mga adjustments, lalong-lalo na nitong ating Daraga National High School Defenders of Faith on how they've worked on those lapses na nagawa nila doon nga sa unang talo nila this season kontra sa USI Falcons. So abangan natin kung saan sila nag-adjust, kung ano yung adjustments na ginawa nila dito sa laban nila kontra dito sa ating STI Junior Olympians. And also, the STI Junior Olympians and how they will maintain the continuous winning or the winning streak of the STI Junior Olympians. So abangan natin yan ngayong araw. Alright, so to hear an update on the side of the Daraga National High School Defenders of Faith, nandyan ang ating courtside reporter na si Kyla to give us an update. Alright, so Kyla, what's your update?
Thank you, Ali and Jasper. Good morning, Bicolandia, and to all our basketball fans who are watching us live via One Media, TV 48 Naga, and Oragon Sports TV. We are now on the second game, STI Olympians versus the Dnhs Defenders of Faith. Ako po, si Kyla Casulia, at ako ang inyong makakasama on the side of the Defenders of Faith. After losing last week against the USA Falcons, the Defenders of Faith are now ready to bounce back and prove themselves and show what they've got. According to their coaches, they focus on their defense. They need to strengthen it and they need to execute it properly. Since they are lack on communication last game, kailangan nila itong paganahin for this matchup. Patuloy ang paalala ni Coach Ariel na tiwalaan ng sarili, magtiwala sa teammates at laging ibigay ang lahat for this matchup. That's all for now. Back to the panel.
Thank you so much, Kyla, on that update from the side of the Daraga National High School Defenders of Faith. Ayun na nga, tingnan natin kung paano i-establish nitong ating Daraga National High School Defenders of Faith yung kanilang tiwala sa kanilang sarili, and of course yung tiwala nila sa kanilang teammates. Let's see kung ano yung all-out na ipapakita nitong dalawang teams na ito, since narinig ko din kanina LA yung sigaw ng ating STI Junior Olympians, all-out STI. And speaking of the STI Olympians, let's hear it from our napakagandang courtside reporter na si Casey on the side of the Olympians. Casey, take it away.
A bright morning, Bicolandia. All eyes are on the court today as the SA Olympians gear up for another thrilling match. With a solid standing of 4 wins and 2 losses, the Olympians are looking to capitalize on their strong defense and dynamic gameplay. According to Coach Noel, the team have decided to stop experimenting and go back to a strategy that emphasizes a stronger defense integrated into their gameplay. It's going to be a battle of heart and hustle as both teams are eager to prove themselves on the court. Will the Olympians find their rhythm and secure another victory, or will the defenders of fate break through and continue their reign? Stay tuned for an action-packed game right here on One Media TV 48 Naga, Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. This is your courtside correspondent, Casey Anchokya, bringing you all the live actions from the bench of STA Olympians. Balik sa inyo.
Thank you, Casey, for that short update of the STI Olympians, as the STI Olympians drawing first blood against the Daraga National High School with 2-0 on our scoreboard, and Dex Fardo on the line for 2 free throws, as the Daraga National High School looking to bounce back from their loss against the USI Falcons, while the STI Olympians will be trying to maintain a winning streak they have started from their last game in the second round of the elimination here in Bucal Season 6. And both free throws of Fajardo comes in.
Now, Donya nagdadala ng bola on the side of the STI Junior Olympians. Mukhang gagawing matunog ulit ni Donya yung kanyang pangalan dito with that assist by De Los Angeles. Basket count by jersey number 9, Racelis. Now, let's see.
Well, maagang pasimula sana yun ng STI Olympians on boosting what could be a game plan set by Coach Noel, and nabanggit din kanina to stop experimenting on different game plans inside the hard court, for especially when they are trying to this time in lead against the Daraga National High School. Well, the Daraga National High School have a zone defense here.
All right, so as we can see here, Donya on the corner, De Los Angeles fires for the 3 with that early 3 points. Pinakaunang tres dito sa bakbakan ng Daraga National High School Defenders of Faith and the STI Junior Olympians. Agad namang nabawian yan ni De Guzman on the side of the Daraga National High School Defenders of Faith. Grabe, magandang pagsimula, early start, good start for the STI Junior Olympians. Now, Donya to Raro. Now, Racelis to jersey number 4. Pado rather, not Raro. Ayan. 7 minutes and 41 seconds remaining dito sa ating first quarter.
Well, it's the first time that the Daraga National High School opening up in the first quarter with things not, going on their side. And it's an early lead of the STI Olympians with 3 points. With 3 points up in the first quarter, as Bayani stopping for a moment as another miscue by the Daraga National High School. He was expecting Lustria to come in from the corner, but rather Bayani passing it into the outside and turning it over to the STI Olympians.
So let's see here. Now,
that's a backcourt violation of Kian Donya after the Daraga National High School stripping it away from him.
4-7, 3 points lead of the STI Junior Olympians dito sa ating approaching the 6th minute mark of the first quarter. Bayani to Garnase, fires for the 3. No good that attempt by Garnase. In a rebound here by Pado. Passes to Donya on the side of the Junior Olympians. Now Racelis fires for the 3 and that's good! A 3-point shot.
Olympians actually taking their chances from the outside. In this first quarter, they've been heating up and looking to continue their offensive play, as that run stops for a moment onto the hands of De Guzman. And Donya,
Jersey number 9 is Sam Rocco rather, not Rasilis. And that's good for that 2 points
by CJ De Los Reyes.
by
And
CJ.
almost a deflection by Donya, but here comes the Guzman to Fajardo. A pull-up jumper, a 15-footer pull-up jumper doesn't go in for Fajardo.
Now, De Los Angeles on the side of the Junior Olympians. On the corners, no good on that shot by Kian Donya.
And Garnase saves it from going out, but it's still the defenders of Fate ball possession.
Let's see. With that easy basket by De Guzman on the side of the Daraga National High School Defenders of Fate. Alley-oop na yung ginawa nila doon, LA, no? From the outside. With that pass, direkta shoot na. Walang pag-alinlangan on the side of the Daraga National High School Defenders of Fate. Donya, no good. On the 3 points attempt by Donya. Medyo
Donya is
malamig pa yung kamay dito ni Donya.
Actually a
Pagdating.
left-handed shooter. And it's very rare to see a player shooting on the left kasi especially very common yung mga right-handed shooters and doesn't get that shot to go, and Donya doesn't go in on that 50-footer. Bayani, 1-on-1 here, and Bayani, a 3-point play opportunity.
Ayan na, tawagan dito ng foul. Si Mark Kenpado on the side of the STI Junior Olympians. Itang-kita naman natin doon. 3 points play opportunity for Robert Bayani of the Daraga National High School Defenders of Fate. 2 points lead of the STI Junior Olympians here. 4 minutes and 45 seconds remaining dito sa ating first quarter. And that's good for the 3 points play opportunity by Robert Bayani on the side of the Daraga National High School Defenders of Fate.
Donya, heavily guarded by Garnase, and ball is stripped away from him as Garnase will tries to hand it over to De Guzman, but throws it out of bounds on that play.
Ayan, shoutout tayo dito kay Coach King Arvin Sardinio, the King Olympians, na nakatutok dito sa ating Facebook Live. And also we have here Justin Kyle Nuestro, the team captain or the captain ball of the STI Olympians in the seniors division. Ayan, happy viewing po sa inyo. No good on that attempt by Sam Nuas. Now, ayan, natawagan dito ng foul si jersey number 8, that is Clarence O'Malley on the side of the STI Junior Olympians. Parang sumabit doon si O'Malley, no? Nung pag-shoot ni Garnase.
And Garnase on the free throw line for a 3-point play opportunity. And taking over or taking the lead of the STI Olympians in the 3 minutes and 50-second mark of our first quarter with a 2-point lead of the Daraga National High School.
Now, Garnase again on the side of the Daraga National High School Defenders of Fate, and that's good for 2 points. Garnase, back-to-back points by Garnase.
Garnase getting a good look on that long pass coming from his teammate, and Garnase
Change favor na tayo dito, LA.
and also a 4-point lead now of the Defenders of Fate.
Ayan, natawagan dito ng hit on the head. Foul by jersey number 21 De Los Angeles on the side of the STI Junior Olympians.
And a substitution here for the STI Olympians as number 24 checks in for the Olympians. Belhica. Bayani thought about a 3 spins, but there's a traveling violation. And traveling is more fun with Nagayon Travel and Tours. More fun traveling with Nagayon Travel and Tours.
Now, Rex Belgica on the side of the STI Junior Olympians. Let's see. Calling for a good pass here now. Sam Nuas. Now, no good on that fadeaway jump by Pado. Clarence Umali rather. Now, a steal here by Nuas, pero a steal by Lustria. Nag-agawan doon yung big man ng dalawang koponan. Pero the ball will stay on the side of the Daraga National High School Defenders of Faith. 2 free throws pa nga ang igagawad sa kanila dito dahil in penalty situation na po itong ating STI Junior Olympians. Now, that's good for that 2 free throws by Lustria on the side of the Daraga National High School Defenders of Faith. Now,
Extending a bit on their lead against the STI Olympians. Quite a freezing moment of the STI Olympians. And number 8 doesn't get it to go for the Olympians.
sayang yon. Napakagandang pasa-pasa sana.
And here comes Garnase, hands it to De Guzman. Bounce pass to Lustria. And Daraga National High School saves it, but number 9 gets it. Sam Nuas to number 24, Belgica.
That's good for that 2 points layup by jersey number 8, Clarence Umali on the side of the STI Junior Olympians.
Gets a good look and he uses the backboard or using the glass to finish that play as De Guzman on the corner, a 3, in and out.
Grabe. Muntik nang pumasok. No good on that 3 points attempt by De Guzman. Now De Los Angeles. To jersey number 9. That's good for that layup by Sam Rocco on the side of the STI Junior Olympians. Napakagandang fast-paced movement. A steal here by Clarence Umali. Now to Sam Nuas. Back to Umali. And that's good for 2 points.
That
I-deadlock
forces.
na yan ng ating STI Junior Olympians. We're deadlock now on 18 points, and that forces a timeout on the side of the Daraga National High School Defenders of Faith. 1 minute and 2 seconds po ang natitira dito sa ating first quarter.
And that ends the scoring run of the Daraga National High School at the hands of the STI Olympians. STI Olympians still having that smooth start here for the first quarter after recovering from that scoring run being made by the Daraga National High School, and also forces them to call a timeout as the Olympians making a scoring run of their own in the first quarter.
Ayan, shoutout muna tayo dito sa mga nanonood sa ating venue. Our live audiences, we have here Sir Raymond Iglesia, the academic head of the STI College Naga. We have also here Macninia San Juan, Carl. We have here Princess Peñas and Angel. Ayan, shoutout po sa mga nanonood dito sa ating venue. And of course, yung ating live audiences, we have Rich Ren Alegado, Nicole Aspe, Angela Marbella, Ruel Tud. Ayan, happy viewing Sir Ruel Tud. Evie De Villa. We also have here Jerome Jose, John Narvaez, Roland Floresca, Dearly Maliete, Cristel Buera, Rich Ren Alegado, and Andre Naz. Ayan, happy viewing po sa inyong lahat.
And Fardo screens number 24, Belgica, and Lustria doesn't go in that shot. Pull-up
Oh,
jumper 43 seconds left here in our first quarter.
De Los Angeles, lumilipad, no good.
Comes up short there. And there goes a block.
By De Guzman. Another chance for the Olympians.
Puro big man yung finifil dito ng Daraga National High School. And here comes number 9, Rocco.
No good on that attempt. Now let's see. A steal here by the Olympians with 11 seconds to shoot here.
Are we seeing a lead change before we end the first quarter? And Rocco
2 points by
securing
Sam Rocco.
a 2-point lead at the end of the first quarter. 2-point lead of the Sta Olympians. 20-18 is our scoring. We'll be right back after the short break to continue the second quarter of action only here on Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
And we are back here at the Ateneo de Naga University Gymnasium para sa ating second quarter. Lamang po ng 2 puntos. Ito ang ating STI Junior Olympians. Dun sa nagdaan na first quarter, kami pa rin po ang inyong makakasama, Jasper Abante, and of course, LA Lapid dito sa ating second quarter. So we'll see kung ano yung ginawang adjustments nitong dalawang teams doon sa ating short break. Now, De Guzman for the Daraga National High School Defenders of Faith nakakuha dito ng 2 free throw by that pushing foul of Sam Nuas on the side of the STI Junior Olympians.
And nothing but net for De Guzman as we hear the crisp sound of the net after he shoot that first free throw attempt to go for the Defenders of Faith. And the second free throw doesn't go in, but Faardo trying to throw that hook shot but doesn't go.
Still here, defensive rebound by Canyon on the side. Pero still here, sayang, nakababa na yung kakampi doon ni Sam Rocco.
As number 10 of the Olympians blocked by number 20 Canyon. And a couple of lead changes here for both of these teams. Garnase hands it to De Guzman. To Magallones. Back to Canyon. He's being double teamed by the Olympians as Magallones throws up a 3 and comes up air ball on that shot. And the STI Olympians are ready to face here in the second quarter. Let's call on our sideline reporter, Casey Antioquia. Casey, take it away.
LA and Jasper, as we move into the second quarter, the Olympians will focus on spreading the basket while maintaining aggressive defense. The team will implement a 2-3 zone defense to effectively counter the Dnhs offense. They will keep the pressure on and secure their lead as they look to extend their advantage. Iyan muna updates mula dito sa STA Olympians. Balik sa inyo.
Thank you so much, Casey, on that update from the side of the STI Junior Olympians. We'll see LA kung paano sila mag-a-adjust dun sa kanilang depensa para ma-counter yung opensa nitong ating Daraga National High School Defenders of Fate, lalo na yung kanilang 2-3 defense para ma-counter nga yung opensa nitong ating Daraga National High School Defenders of Fate. And speaking of the Daraga National High School Defenders of Fate, let's hear it. Let's hear an update from their courtside reporter na si Kyla. Hi Kyla, take it away.
Thank you, LA and Jasper. We are now on the second quarter of this matchup. Nahirapan man nung una na mag-adjust with their defense against the opponent. Mas pinagigiyan ng Defenders of Fate na makahabol at maibaba ang kalamangan sa kanila. They continuously pouring all the efforts kahit nakulang sila ng 8 players for this game. Coach Arnel continuously reminds them with their individual role and the defense that they need to execute for their opponent. Coaches reminds them to lessen their turnovers at pag nakakalamang na, huwag magiging complacent and most especially, huwag sayangin ang pinaghirapan na scores. They are reminded to stay consistent and always stick on their game plan for this quarter. That's it for now. Back to you, Alay and Jasper.
Thank you so much, Kyla, on that update para naman sa side ng ating Daraga National High School Defenders of Fate. So, grabe pala LA yung disadvantage dito ng ating Daraga National High School Defenders of Fate, since yun na nga, na-mention ng ating courtside reporter na kulang ng 8 players itong ating Daraga National High School Defenders of Fate. So, we'll see if how do the STI Junior Olympians will take advantage on that disadvantages, or yun nga, yung disadvantage nitong ating Daraga National High School Defenders of Fate. Well, 8 players yung wala dito on the side of the Daraga National High School Defenders of Fate. So we'll see kung magte-take advantage dyan dito itong ating STI Junior Olympians.
Almost the majority of the roster is out for the Daraga National High School. So that will be a huge disadvantage for them, as the Olympians will be looking to take advantage of the disadvantage heading into this game in the second quarter with 2 points up in the scoreboards for the Daraga National High School, as the 3-pointer by Donya doesn't go in, as number 22 secures that rebound. Once again, a 3 fired by number 21.
Jolan Rain de Los Angeles of the STI Junior Olympians lost with that mid-range jumper. And that's good for the Dnhs, Defenders of Fate.
Once again, a lead change by both of these teams. Number 22 deflects it by Bayani. A steal from behind by Robert Bayani, but there was a foul on number 22, Jolo Maestrado. And Bayani chooses Garnase for that inbound play. Magallones to Canyon. He's being double-teamed. Now Bayani. He's blocked there by number 21, Rain de Los Angeles. As number 20 checks in for the Olympians, CJ De Los Reyes.
Now, Robert Bayani on the outside, fires for the 3. No good on that attempt.
Well, it comes up short and hits the rim, but it doesn't go in for the Daraga National High School. Now, once again on the offense as the STI Olympians, as Kian Donya hands it to number 9, Sam Rocco.
Now, the Los Angeles outside, stepping on the line. Turnover on the side of the Daraga National High School Defenders of Fate. Now Garnase to jersey number 10 of the Defenders. Jersey number 10 fires for the 3. No good on that attempt. Now, this time, defensive rebound by CJ De Los Reyes. Now, Kian Donya, illegal carrying of the ball. Ang itinawag dito kay Kian Donya on the side of the STI Junior Olympians. Grabe. One-point lead of the Daraga National High School Defenders of Fate here as we approach the midway of our ball game, of the second quarter rather. Now, Robert Bayane struggling here with quadruple team. No gone on their third attempt.
Di na double team yung ginagawa dito ng SCI Olympians, kundi apat na yung naka-cover doon kay Bayani, as Bayani is trying to score but he is struggling with that defense being set by the STI Olympians. But there goes a recovery from the Daraga National High School. And fires a three. Gets a good look on that shot.
May
Once
bawi
again.
doon. May bawi doon si Jolan Rain de Los Angeles of the SDI Junior Olympians.
Once again, tying things up here in the second quarter with 28 all. But here comes number 20, Canyon, to break down the tie. And once again, taking the lead in their hands.
Grabe. De Los Angeles. Matunog na pangalan. Once again. No good this time. Pero may bawi doon.
Another
Si
deadlock.
jersey number 22, Magistrado, on the side of the SCI Junior Olympians. Let's see here.
Couple of roller coaster plays for both of these teams as we are having a deadlock, a lead change, a deadlock, and a lead change once again. But this time, it's a deadlock. 30 all, 30 apiece. And here comes number 21 of the Olympians, Rain de Los Angeles, hands it to the corner to Donya. De Los Angeles with a 70% coverage on him.
Now Bayani,
Off to his back.
nagmamadali with that left-hand layup on the left side. Grabe. Napakagandang left-hand layup by Bayani on the side of the Daraga National High School Defenders of Fate. Now, De Los Angeles once again for the STI Junior Olympians. Grabe, De Los Angeles nagpaulan ng tres. Pero may bawi agad dito. Itong ating Dnhs Defenders of Fate.
We see once again a change of lead. And also the three-pointer by Rain de Los Angeles is something to be looked at. Nasa lookout na ng Daraga National High School.
Ayan, natawagan dito ng hit on the head. Si jersey number 31 rather. That is De Guzman. Christian De Guzman on the side of the Daraga National High School Defenders of Fate. Ayan, at napatawag na nga dito ng timeout si Coach Arnel on the side of the Daraga National High School Defenders of Fate. Let's see kung ano yung gagawin nilang adjustments dito since ayun na nga, nagpapaulan na itong ating STI Junior Olympians, lalong-lalo na itong si Jolan Rain de Los Angeles ng 3 puntos. Grabe, on fire. De Los Angeles is literally on fire.
Oh naman, since lalo na ngayon, mainit yung panahon, sumabay din si De Los Angeles sa init ng panahon. Therefore, having a heat check on the three-pointer as he fires up a couple of lead changes and a deadlock for the Olympians. And that sets apart from the Daraga National High School, especially the Daraga National High School attacking more from the inside. And the SA Olympians called also a timeout. And they are down by 1 point here in the second quarter, and also in the first half of this game. And as you have a good look on that bench of the Daraga National, of the STI Olympians, still doing some adjustments and also creating the game plan that suits them very well in the second quarter, as they are trying to once again take things over against the Daraga National High School Defenders of Fate.
Ayan, very hands-on dito yung ating coach Coach Noel, also Coach Arnel on the side of the Daraga National High School Defenders of Faith. You also have the assistant coach of the STI Junior Olympians, Sir Bonks Castroverde, and Sir JM Napili on the side of the STI Olympians. Ayan, shoutout muna tayo dito kay Gian Mendoza.
And also a happy Teacher's Day to Sir Mark Amante, who will be
one of our
live.
commentators.
Yeah.
Pero later, makakasama nyo.
And also
Si Sir
to
Mark.
Coach John Russell Senora, Coach Nuki, and Coach Mark. Tomorrow, Ateneo Golden Knights will be facing the defending champions, the Annunciation College. At sunod dito yung ACLC and the ACB-SUI Panthers for the third game of the Juniors Division in the second round of the first division.
And that's good for that 3 points play opportunity by Sam Rocco.
A deadlock once again
Yes.
for both of these teams, as number 31 is heavily guarded by number 9, and 28, Bayani. Fajardo overshoots that layup.
Now, Sam Rocco again with a 3 points. No good by
was an in and
jersey
out.
number 27.
Once again, fires a three-pointer but doesn't go in.
De Los Angeles, no good.
I thought
This
third time's the
time.
charm for the Olympians, as Robert Bayani, great rim protector for the Defenders of Fate, as he is trying to go inside. And that basket counts, as Donya fouled Bayani on his way into the basket.
Ayan, shoutout muna tayo dito kina Gian Fergil Mendoza, Justin Kyle Nuestro, the captain ball of the STI Olympians, and Zania Nacario, nakatutok sa ating live coverage. We also have here Joanne, Hayden Joe Canapia. Ayan, happy viewing po sa inyong lahat.
Right now, it's a 3-point lead of the Daraga National High School, 37-34. And the 1 minute and 30-second mark of our second quarter, with both teams in penalty situation. Donya hands it to number 10, to number 9, Sam Rocco. Trimming down the lead just to 1 point for the Daraga National High School.
Ayan, LA, nakalimutan ko, nanonood rin pala yung si Mr. MVP last season. For Season 5 MVP, we have Alex Cario on the side of the STI Olympians. Shout out sa iyo. We also have here Jerome Jose, Jasmine, and Sir Roel Tud. Mac Vargas, happy viewing po sa inyong lahat.
And
Now, Bayani again on the Daraga National High School with that spin, pero no good.
there was a no call there by Bayani, and there goes Donya with that shot, a three-pointer. It's the rim, but no good. And Lustria,
Overshoot again. Now, Sam Nuas passes it to John Ray Rabang. Fires for the three. John Ray Rabang. 3 points.
I'm having fun of this matchup
Grabe.
of the STI Olympians, as both of this team have been firing up. And once again, a timeout is issued by the STI Olympians. 14.1 seconds left in the second quarter, with the STI Olympians still looking to take the lead as we await the end of the second quarter, with Daraga National High School
Grabe.
still having 1 point in this game against the STI Olympians. So it's anybody's game at this point. And at this game, we're super excited with the Division 2 teams facing off. The number 1 seed, Daraga National High School, and the number 3 seed, STI Olympians.
Grabe. John Ray Rabang pagkakuha ng bola. Sabay tigil. Grabe.
Oo nga pala, happy birthday Jasper. So,
Thank you, partner.
ang dami kasing nagko-comment, birthday mo ba talaga?
Happy birthday daw.
So, happy birthday.
Ayan, nakalimutan
Jasper.
ko palang i-shoutout kanina si King Olympian, Sir King. Coach King Arvin Sardinio. Happy viewing, Coach King.
Especially Jasper, I think he's been my partner for the 20th time. I don't know if how many times, but as a commentator, a new commentator of Bucal, and hoping to see him in action in the coming games and also in the seasons of Bucal. And we are back here.
Yes, partner, dati napagkamalan akong referee pero commentator talaga yung gawa ko dito.
And 14 seconds to play here for the Olympians. Could be the last ball possession for this quarter as Donya stopping for a moment. It comes up short and throws it over.
Early celebration for the STI Junior Olympians. Akala ata nila pasok na yung layup na yun ni Sam Nuwas pero naudlot pa. And that forces a timeout on the side of... And dyan na po nagtatapos ang ating second quarter. Dyan lamang po kayo for the second half only here on Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
Empower the next generation of engineers. The Naga College Foundation College of Engineering focuses on developing the analytical skills of students, hands-on experience, and engagement in technology-based research and innovation. Our top-grade facilities, newly acquired tools and equipment, exceptional faculty, and comprehensive curriculum ensure that students are well prepared to meet the demands of the engineering profession. We want you not just to be job ready, but innovation ready. Be an empowered and CM engineer. Enroll now.
Join a community where creativity knows no bounds, where every idea is nurtured and every voice is heard. Discover your path, forge your future, and make your mark in the College of Arts and Sciences, where curiosity meets creativity and every voice is heard. A place where innovation thrives and diversity is celebrated.
Here in CAS, of course, you can be whatever you want to be.
NCF College of Arts and Sciences. Explore, create, transform, and innovate. Join us and be one of CAS.
Malakas at protektadong manok, unahin ang kalusugan. Nakastibay sa balanseng nutrisyon mula sa BMEG Integra. Katangi-tangi ang formulation nito. Meron itong balanseng protina at energy levels. Importanteng amino acids, vitamina at minerals. Siguradong malakas at protektado ang paglaki ng manok ninyo. Dito ka na sa BMEG Integra. Nakastibay sa balanseng nutrisyon.
We are live back here at Ateneo de Naga University Gymnasium for an uphill battle with the third seed NCF Olympians versus the Daraga National High School, which is the #1 seed, and number 21 of the Daraga National High School appears to be having a muscle cramps. Drex Fajardo of the Defenders of Fate, and still a 1-point lead in the third quarter, with many things to come here for both the Olympians and the Defenders of Fate. Entering the third quarter, and Doña hands it to De Los Angeles.
Now, Doña to Rabang, long three. No good this time by Rabang. At natawagan dito ng foul si jersey number 9 na Sam Rocco on the side of the STI Junior Olympians. 40-39, very close fight nitong Daraga National High School Defenders of Fate, and of course, ang ating STI Junior Olympians.
And Lustria making sure that the Daraga National High School extends that point once again. It's 42-39. A 3-point lead of the Defenders of Fate as Doña hands it to number 21, De Los Angeles, but comes up short on that 3-pointer, and Robert Bayani being outbalanced there by the defense of the STI Olympians. And we have an update coming from the bench of the Daraga National High School Defenders of Fate. Let's call in Kyla Casulia. Kyla, what's your update?
Ayan, babalikan natin si Kyla since wala siyang audio and
May konting technical difficulties din.
yes. Pero ngayon, this time, ready na ata siya, Lay. So, let's call on once again our courtside reporter na si Kyla to give us an update on the side of the Daraga National High School Defenders of Fate. Kyla, take it away.
Thank you, LA and Jasper. We are now on the third quarter. and what a third quarter for the both team. Talaga namang git-gitan ang laban, and for this quarter, the defenders of Faith already na mas pag-igihan ang kanilang opensa at depensa for this quarter. During the huddle, they are reminded na maging confident sa loob ng court sa bawat galaw na kanilang ipapakita. Pag nagkakamali, huwag paghihinaan ang loob at kailangan na magpatuloy. Ika nga ni coach, hindi ito ang oras para mapagod. They need to double the hustle kahit na 7 lang sila na naglalaro for this game. Kailangan nilang pag-igihan ang bawat galaw na kanilang gagawin. For the last reminder, they need to play smarter and they need to double the focus for this game. That's all for now. Back to you, Ali and Jasper.
Thank you so much, Kyla, on that update from the side of the Daraga National High School Defenders of Faith. Yun na nga yung mga reminders na narinig natin from Coach Arnel of the Daraga National High School Defenders of Faith. Ayun na nga, LA. Kailangan itong Defenders of Faith maglaro with confidence dahil yun na nga, 7 lang sila. Huge disadvantage on their side. Pero 3 points by Jolan Rain de Los Angeles of the STI Junior Olympians. And speaking of the STI Junior Olympians, let's hear it from our napakagandang courtside reporter na si KZ. KZ, anong update natin dyan?
LA and Jasper, as the first half unfolded, it was a thrilling exchange of favors between the SDA Olympians and the Dnhs Defenders of Faith. Both teams showcased their skills, trading baskets and momentum. As we head into the third quarter, the focus for the SDA Olympians is clear. They need to trust in themselves and their game plan as they continue to battle the Dnhs Defenders of Faith. Coach Noel has emphasized that players don't need to sacrifice their bodies just to secure rebounds. Instead, they should work together as a team. That's it for now. Back to the panel.
Thank you so much, Casey, on that update from the side of the STI Junior Olympians. We'll see kung paano sila magfo-focus sa kanilang strategies. Yes, shortcomings dun sa kanilang gameplay on how they will execute it very well. So as we can see, Jolan de Los Angeles, now Rabang. No good on that 3 points attempt by Rabang. This is a very close fight, LA, no? Third quarter na tayo, and it's a very low scoring.
And especially the Daraga National High School is just up by 3 points. Not a big margin, not a big lead for the Defenders of Faith, but things are still going on their way in this third quarter of action as Magallones stops and fires for a 3. Magallones open for a moment and takes his chance, top of the key 3-pointer. And once again extends that lead for the Defenders of Faith. Will we see a 3-point? And there goes, spinning around by De Los Angeles, cutting down the lead just to 3 points. And 48-45 is our scoring for this quarter. And the Guzman, look at that screen, or look at that pick by Canyon, and he is fouled by number 20, CJ De Los Reyes. As the Guzman, or Lustria, was fouled a while ago and will be shooting 2 free throws.
Lustria, good for his first attempt on that free throw line. Once again, Lustria. No good on his second attempt, pero an offensive rebound by Christian de Guzman. Now, Garnase. No good on that 3 points attempt. Another chance, pero a steal here by De Los Angeles. Back-to-back steal by de Guzman. Now, Canyon with that foul. Grabe. Hindi na nakakaurong yung bola dito sa ating kabilang half court.
Especially they are having a hard time advancing the ball into the front court, and they are being trapped also, and also committing fouls when they are trying to get that ball possession. And also, yung Daraga National High School, they've been stepping up in the third quarter, but the STA Olympians are still posing a threat to the defenders of Fate. Looking to extend that lead to 5 points, and Canyon misses both free throws, and Garnase once again now limping. Appears to be having a hard time to run, and here comes number 21.
Kiandonia! No good on that 3 points attempt by Kiandonia. Pero another chance for the Olympians here. With 10 seconds to shoot, Kiandonia again with this time. That's good.
Nothing but the net for Kiandonia as he was trying to pass it to De Los Angeles. But Donia being open, the defense was looking upon De Los Reyes, and Donia takes his chances from the top of the key.
Clean basket for Kiandonia. Hatid sa atin yan ng KD Sportswear and Apparel, the best jersey maker here in Naga City. Grabe. Pero mas marami itong free throw opportunities nitong ating Daraga National High School Defenders of Fate, with Lustri again on the free throw line for his 2 free throws, since in penalty situation na tayo on the side of the STI Junior Olympians. No good on that first attempt by Lustria.
Defenders of Fate still struggling on that free throw attempts, as a while ago, same fate also happened to the Defenders of Fate. They're struggling from the free throw. Will Lustria recover? And he recovers that second free throw attempt, and bringing up the lead up again 2 points against the SDI Olympians, 50-48, in the 4 minutes and 43-second mark of our third quarter, with the SDI Olympians and penalty, and Donia on the corner to De Los Reyes or De Los Angeles.
Now Kian Donia again.
Look at that passing of the Olympians
To Sam
with 5
Rocco.
seconds to shoot.
Mid-range jumper by Sam Rocco.
And we are once again deadlocked, 50-50. A couple of deadlocks now for both of these teams. Magallones.
Lustria with that off-balance shot. No good. And a block. A block by Sam Rocco.
But there was a foul on Sam Rocco. So Fardo will look to take the lead. And puts up. The first free throw is good. Therefore, a 1-point lead for the Defenders of Fate.
This time, LA, pasalamatan naman muna natin ang ating mga sponsors. We have our major sponsors, Bigs, Elite Sportswear, HJP Pawn Shop, Havaianas, Ngo & Sons Trading and Industries Incorporated, Pucari Sweat, and of course, 3GX ICT Solutions. We also have the Naga College Foundation, Gold Gloffa Construction, ACLC Naga, Lemon Residences, Ateneo de Naga University, NCF Wings, KD Sportswear and Apparel, Garden Café, Naga Yon Travel and Tours, NCF V Gallery and Museum, Tigers Café, NCF Training Pool, NCF Indoor Firing Range, Aman Engineering Enterprise, Skytech Advertising, owned and managed by Sir Mark Mendoza, Duty Free Philippines, Unibersidad de Sta, Isabel, Department of Agriculture, Bicol, and BMEG, Alagang BMEG, Alagang #1. And of course, Bucal Season 6 coverage is powered by Converge FiberX, by Converge ICT Solutions Incorporated, and Ravenous Communications Incorporated. Maraming salamat po sa inyong patuloy na pagsuporta.
And a 3-point lead once again of the Defenders of Fate, as the Olympians still trying to match the offensive run being made by the Defenders of Fate, and looking to take advantage of the shortage of bench players for the Defenders of Fate, as number 22 fires a 3. Noas gets that offensive rebound, and he is fouled by number 11, Lustria.
2 free throws ang igagawa dito kay Sam Nuas after that shooting foul. And De Guzman checked in for the Daraga National High School Defenders of Fate. Now, that's good for that attempt by Sam Nuas, the big man of the STI Junior Olympians. No good on that second attempt by Nuas. Ayan, shoutout muna tayo dito sa mga nanonood sa ating live coverage. We have Adaitas. We have Justin Miguel Barcia, Juliet Locario, Cyrus Canrasilis, J.R. Torreña. We also have Jerome Jose, Abby Gutierrez, and Josa Jasmine. Ayan, happy viewing po.
And Bayani was blocked by number 9.
Pero may fadeaway shot siya doon. Now, let's see. Kian Donya is looking for a good pass here. 2 minutes remaining dito sa ating third quarter. Sam Rocco. Now, Magistrado with that mid-range jumper. Using the glass from the ring to the glass. And that's good for Magistrado on the side of the STI Junior Olympians. Now, Bayani passes to Magallones. Good ball rotation to De Guzman. Back to Magallones.
The STI looking to crack down the offensive run being made by the Daraga National High School, but De Guzman still has what it takes to penetrate inside and cut the defense of the STI Olympians.
Now, Sam Rocco passes to Rain de Los Angeles.
There is a pick by number 9 and gets it to the hands of number 22. And De Los Angeles.
No good on that attempt by De Los Angeles.
1 minute left in the third quarter, and it's anybody's ball game. And Magallones, 3.
No good.
Noah secures that offensive rebound or the defensive rebound for the STI Olympians, and Rocco is trying to get that ball possession, but here comes Bayani sidestepping and being open for that layup. Here comes Kian Donya being guarded by the big man Bayani.
18 seconds left on our third quarter.
Ball is stripped away by Donya.
And the same ball possession for the Dnhs Defenders of Faith with 13 seconds remaining on our third quarter. Let's see kung dadagdagan pa yun ng puntos itong ating Dnhs Defenders of Faith. De Guzman fires for the 3. No good on that attempt. Magallones 3 again. No good this time. Ayan, a turnover tayo dito on the side of the STI Junior Olympians with 2 seconds to shoot. We'll see. The Los Angeles to inbound. Now to Donya. Fires for the 3. No good on that buzzer beater shot, and that's the end of our third quarter. 61 to 55. 6 points lead of the Daraga National High School Defenders of Faith against the STI Junior Olympians. Diyan lamang po kayo at magbabalik po kami for the fourth and last quarter. Only here.
fourth quarter of action here at the Ateneo de Naga University Gymnasium. A 61-55 lead of the Daraga National High School against the STI Olympians. Number 14 hands it to De Los Angeles. Once again, back to number 14 of the Olympians as he fires that off-balance fadeaway shot, and here comes Magallanes with that layup. Almost a block there by De Los Angeles. Here comes the STI Olympians once again as De Los Angeles bounce pass to number 14, Raro. And three-pointer is good for Raro. Once again, controlling that momentum of the Daraga National High School. Tinatapatan dito ng SA Olympians yung scoring na ginagawa ng Defenders of Fate.
Now, Raro.
Tunuwas.
Now, De Los Angeles again. That's good for De Los Angeles. Yung pamatay niyang tres. Grabe.
And bringing down the lead to just 2 points in the fourth quarter. Are we seeing a close match between these two teams? And hits the bottom of the rim. Here comes Raro. Stops. Pops. Three-pointer. Kaboom! And that forces the Daraga National High School to call a timeout as the lead is onto the hands of the STI Olympians, 64-63 in the 8-minute mark of the fourth quarter.
Grabe. Change of favor dito sa ating fourth quarter with that 3 points by De Los Angeles. Then after that, 3 points ulit by Kian Donia. Grabe. Lamang na po ng isang puntos itong ating STI Junior Olympians. Let's see kung paano yun i-maintain and i-sustain itong ating STI Junior Olympians para magtuloy-tuloy ang kanilang nasimulang momentum. And speaking of the Daraga National High School Defenders of Faith, let's call on our courtside reporter na si Kyla to give us an update. Alright, so hi Kyla, anong update natin dyan?
Thank you, Ollie and Jasper. We are now on the fourth quarter of this matchup, and for the last chance to win this game, Coach Arnel reminds them to not to waste their effort at kailangan na nilang ibuhos lahat for this quarter. Patuloy ang kanyang pagpapalakas ng loob sa kanyang mga players to never give up, lalo na for this quarter dahil paniguradong bakbakan ng laban for this quarter. Coach Cabase reminds them na wag sasayangin pag nakakalamang na at ipagpatuloy ang maayos na opensa at depensa. They really need to use their mind, play smart, communicate well, and execute their team effort and chemistry for the last quarter of the game. Makuha kaya ito ng Defenders of Faith? Yan ang ating dapat abangan. For now, back to you, Ali and Jasper.
Thank you so much, Kyla, on that update from the side of the Daraga National High School Defenders of Faith. Ayun na nga, LA, kailangan ng...
Yung natawagan traveling si Lustria, almost stealing the lead from the STI Olympians.
Pero yun na nga, LA, yung update dito ng ating courtside reporter from Daraga National High School Defenders of Faith na huwag sayangin yung kanilang effort para naman hindi masayang yung kanilang effort dito. Kailangan nilang ibigay yung kanilang all-out dito. And on the other hand, we have the STI Junior Olympians. Let's hear it from our courtside reporter na si Casey. Hi Casey, take it away.
The third quarter has been a battle with both teams displaying incredible intensity and determination. As we enter the final quarter, the STA Olympians find themselves in a challenging position but not out of the fight. Coach Noel advised the team to trust in the game plan, communicate on the court, and execute with precision. That's it for now. Back to the panel.
Thank you so much, Casey, on that update from the side of the STI Junior Olympians. So, we'll see kung paano niya yan i-maintain or how do the STI Junior Olympians maintain this momentum na nasimulan na nila. And ayun na nga, change of favor na naman tayo dito. Isang puntos na kalamangan on the side of the Dnhs. defenders of Fate. Now,
That's the deflection of De Los Reyes.
same ball possession for the Dnhs defenders of Fate here.
And a substitution here for the STR Olympians as Mark Kevin Pado checks in. Garnase inbounds it to the Guzman. And once again turning it over to the STI Olympians. Crucial errors of the Daraga National High School and brings up the STI Olympians once again in an advantage play. Donya.
Now,
He's being
Donya
guarded by Garnase.
to De Los Reyes. Now to De Los Angeles. Back to Donya. Now Raro, good ball rotation here. Raro with a 3 points by Giancarlo Raro. 3
It's a
points.
2-point lead right
Hatid sa
now.
atin yan ng KD Sportswear and Apparel, the best jersey maker here in Naga City. Grabe. Without hesitation, Carlo Raro puts it up with that 3 points. Now let's see again.
That shot was effortless. I think once again the Olympians proving they are they are a shooter from the outside. And here comes a three.
De Los Angeles.
He is firing up. The STI Olympians are fighting up against the Daraga National High School defenders of Fate. And right now, it's a 4-point lead for the Olympians. Medyo
Now let's see another
exhausted na dito
from
yung
Giancarlo Raro. 3 points from Giancarlo Raro.
I'm
Grabe.
fired up. He is
Nine.
fired up.
9 consecutive points put up by the STI Junior Olympians. Grabe. Back-to-back 3 points. Nagpaulan ng tres itong ating STI Junior Olympians.
And Raro, back-to-back 3 for the Olympians. And they are looking to upset the number 1 seed in this game. And this is far from over as we are in the 5-minute mark of our 4th quarter.
Grabe. Let's see again, LA. Since mahaba-haba pa yung oras na natitira dito sa ating 4th and last quarter, we still have 5 minutes and 23 seconds remaining. So we'll see kung anong bawi ang gagawin dito ng ating Daraga National High School Defenders of Fate and how do the SCI Junior Olympians will maintain and sustain this kind of scoring.
Will the Daraga National High School respond to that double bomb of Giancarlo Raro? Here comes the Guzman.
Now,
Bayani looking to penetrate, but
the same ball possession for the Daraga National High School Defenders of Fate by that foul of jersey number 20, CJ De Los Reyes on the side of the STI Junior Olympians. Now, Robert Bayani.
look at that
No
lob
good.
pass.
The same ball possession pa rin for the DNHs Defenders of Fate. Pero nakikita naman natin LA na medyo nag-struggle sila dito. Hindi masyadong nakakapasok yung mga players nila dito sa front court.
Especially the defense now of the Olympians is now on a man-to-man. Man-to-man trapping na dito yung ginagawa ng Olympians. So, and on the inside din yung defense. So, mas nakikita ng SDI Olympians na yung Daraga National High School are really taking advantage of inside the 3-point line when it comes to putting up points for their team. And Noah secures that steal.
Grabe! From Nuwas to the Los Angeles, back to Nuwas with that layup. 2 points ang idadagdag natin dito sa side ng STI Junior Olympians.
Looks like the STI Olympians are proving that they can go one-on-one.
Pero-
and Bayani throws up a three-pointer from top of the key. And that forces the Olympians to call a timeout. 68-74 is our scoring. But still, the Olympians in lead in the 4-minute mark of our fourth and final quarter.
Grabe. Nakaganti doon si Robert Bayani on the side of the Daraga National High School. Defenders of Fate, mahaba-haba pa yung oras na natitira dito sa ating fourth and last quarter. We still have 4 minutes and 6 seconds. We'll see kung makakabawi pa itong ating DNHs Defenders of Fate or magtutuloy-tuloy ang momentum nitong ating STI Junior Olympians. Ayan, as we can see on the screen, Coach Noel Ordaz is giving his players a lot of reminders.
Especially, they are trying to maintain the lead and also they want to upset the number 1 seed, the Daraga National High School. The Daraga National High School have been on a 5-game winning streak before losing into the hands of the USI Falcons, therefore snapping that 5-game winning streak, and the Daraga National High School look to bounce back from their mistakes of the last game and hope for a redemption against the STI Olympians.
So let's see dito sa ating fourth and last quarter with the ball possession of the STI Junior Olympians. Now, Kian Donya to Sam Nuas. And a steal here by jersey number 21 now to Bayani.
Robert Bayani bumped there by Donya, and the 2 free throws for Robert Bayani as he steps on the line looking to trim down the lead of the STI Olympians just to 4 points.
So let's see. A chance, an opportunity for the DNHs Defenders of Fate to trim down the lead to 4 points. No good on that first attempt by Bayani. No good on that second attempt. And same ball possession. 14 shot clock. 14 seconds to shoot on the side of the Daraga National High School. Defenders of Fate with 3 minutes and 45 seconds remaining dito sa ating game clock.
And the Guzman, the defense of the STI Olympians are now going from the outside, slowly shifting from a 1-3-1, and therefore Bayani fires again a 3-pointer, cutting down the lead of the STI Olympians just to 3 points with the 3 minutes and 20 seconds of the fourth quarter. Number 4, Pado, almost a travel there, and here comes Raro, and the buzzer sounds, but it hits the rim just as soon as the buzzer sounds, and Magallones open. There is a traveling violation, and that will force a substitution for
Syempre LA, traveling is more fun with Naga yon. Travel and tours. Ayan, let's see here kung anong padagdag ang gagawin nito. Pero a steal here by Robert Bayani without hesitation.
now there goes the
Puts
foul.
up that layup na may kasabay na foul. Therefore, 2 free throws ang igagawa dito kay Robert Bayani. Grabe. Pasalamatan muna natin ay ang ating mga sponsors. We have Biggs, Elite Sportswear, HJP Pawn Shop, Havaianas, Ngo & Sons Trading Industries Incorporated, 3GX ICT Solutions, and of course, Pocari Sweat. We also have Unibersidad de Sta Isabel, Lemon Residences, Naga Travel and Tours, Tigers Café, Aman Engineering Enterprise, Duty Free Philippines, Department of Agriculture, Bucal, the Naga College Foundation, Gold Gloffa Construction, ACLC Naga, BMEG, Alagang BMEG, Alagang number 1. Maraming salamat po sa inyong patuloy na pagsuporta. And as we can see here, 2 minutes and 46 seconds remaining sa ating game clock. Pero a chance here for the Daraga National High School Defenders of Faith to deadlock our points to 74. 2 free throws ang ginawa dito kay Canyon after that shooting foul. So let's see kung itatabla na yan ni Canyon on the side of the Daraga National High School Defenders of Faith. No good on that first attempt by Canyon. So let's see dito sa kanyang second attempt.
Still a 2-point lead of the ASEA Olympians with Canyon looking to cut down the lead just to 1 point. And still a 2-point lead of the Olympians. What will the Olympians in this? A kickball violation by De Guzman.
Turnover on the side of the SCI Junior Olympians and a chance for the SCI Junior Olympians to raise their lead here kontra dito sa ating Dnhs Defenders of Faith. So let's see. Now the Los Angeles and out of bounds pero the same ball possession on the side of the SCI Junior Olympians. Now, Raro to De Los Reyes. No good on that attempt by De Los Reyes. Pero nakuha yan ni De Los Angeles. No good on that many attempts. Napakaraming attempts ni Dele. Hindi ko nabilang. Now, let's see.
They could have secured it and pass it to someone who was actually open for that shot. So, yun yung yung rebounds doon. Sayang nung rebounds doon. Especially, they were a tip in. Tip in sana yun eh. Doon sa mga shots kanina.
Ayan.
And also, we would like to give a shout out to the medical staff of Bucal, to Lau Pielago, Gia Arana, and Lance Leanas on duty here to assist the players who are getting injured in Bucal.
Siyempre, LA yung pinakamaganda din. Yung napakagandang commentator ng Bucal. We have Ma'am Christine Reyes. Ayan, happy viewing po.
So lang naman kasi yung commentator natin na babae. So, I think Tin will actually be covering the next game. I think they will be Tin and Mark for ACLC and Annunciation College of Bacon Sorsogon. For this third game, after this game, we'll have the ACLC and the Annunciation Panthers live here at One Media TV 48 Naga and Oragon Sports TV.
Now, Raro.
1-point lead of the Olympians. A bounce pass, almost a steal there by Bayani. Donya in the corner.
A long pass to the Los Angeles. No hesitation, but no good on that attempt. Let's see.
Here comes Bayani being the aggressive man for the Defenders of Faith.
Now, Garnasa to De Guzman. No good on that 3 points attempt by De Guzman. And defensive rebound here by the Olympians. Donya nagmamadali, lumilipad!
Almost a block there by De Guzman, but
Sinabayan
Donya.
pa ni De Guzman. Donya, 2 points.
They have to play tough and they have to play smart if they want to take the lead of the SA Olympians as Bayani hands it to
Bawasan
Fajardo.
na natin yan ng dalawa. 2 points by Fajardo after that mid-range jumper. And 1-point lead na lamang of the SCI Junior Olympians. Let's see kung ilan ang idadagdag or madadagdagan ba yan.
Here's the seconds to play. Mark, 1 minute na lang ang natitira sa ating fourth and final quarter. And there's a foul by Bayani. That's the first team foul of Daraga National High School. A clean quarter for them so far.
And also a first personal foul of Robert Bayani. Grabe LA, 53 seconds na lamang ang natitira dito sa ating fourth and last quarter. napakadikit ng laban with 75-76. Isang puntos lamang ang kalamangan dito na nagawa ng ating STI Junior Olympians. Let's see kung ilang puntos pa ang idadagdag nila dyan or ito namang Daraga National High School ang babawi at magmo-momentum para makuha ang unang panalo nila dito sa ating second round.
Well, if the SA Olympians manages to beat the Daraga National High School, they will be in a double tie with 5 wins and 2 losses. While kung matalo naman ang Daraga National High School yung SA Olympians, they'll be staying at the number 1 seed with 6-1 in the win-loss column of Division 2. And all games are important for all of the teams, especially when they are vying for that first and second spot in the Division 2, especially when they want to enter the playoff stage of Bucal Season 6.
Let's see kung ano pa yung ipapakita nitong dalawang teams na ito. Will it be the Daraga National High School Defenders of Faith or the STI Junior Olympians who will get the win for the second round of the season? Parehas naghahanap ng unang panalo itong dalawang teams na ito this second round eliminations. Let's see, Giancarlo Raro, no? Ganun na 3 points attempt by Giancarlo Raro.
Now here's a 40 seconds for the Daraga National High School. Will this be a lead? Bayani with 10 seconds to Garnase. Bayani, top of the key 3. No good on the clutch, but Canyon comes up big. And the favor is now in the hands. The very fate of the Daraga National High School is now in their hands with 1 point lead against the STI Olympians. 21 seconds still up in our game clock. And the Daraga National High School looks to win, looks to bounce back from their loss against the USI Falcons.
Yun na nga ba, LA, yung sinasabi ko. 1 point lead, a change of favor on the side of the Dnhs Defenders of Faith. Titingnan natin, LA, kung sino ang mananalo since 21 seconds remaining dito sa ating fourth and last quarter. Hindi rin malabo, LA, na magkaroon tayo ng overtime match dito sa second game ng ating Saturday action. Ayan, at abangan natin. STI ball possession. So let's see kung ano yung plano dito. Dito ang ating STI Junior Olympians with 14 seconds to shoot. Ayan, 21 seconds remaining sa ating fourth and last quarter. Grabe. Now, Kian Donya to the Los Angeles. Now,
Pressure is now on the hands. And here comes the Daraga National High School. Donya to foul. That was the crucial mistake of the Olympians.
Tingnan natin. De Guzman. Basket count for De Guzman for his first attempt. And 11 seconds remaining sa ating game clock. No good on that attempt by Ayan. Grabe na yung mga nangyayari dito sa ating Ateneo de GYMNASIUM. Natawagan din ng foul si jersey number 20 Fajardo. And the ball will stay on the side of the STI Junior Olympians with 7 seconds to shoot here.
They're being pressured now by the Daraga National High School. As here comes once again a timeout of the Daraga National High School with 4 seconds left in the fourth quarter, and lead is up in their hands.
Ball possession pa kayo ng Daraga National High School Defenders of Faith. Well, 4 seconds remaining sa ating fourth and last quarter with 2 points lead of the Daraga National High School Defenders of Faith. We'll see if what will happen sa natitirang 4 seconds. And as we can see here, dito sa ating replay, de Los Angeles slip down, and the ball possession will stay on the side of the Daraga National High School Defenders of Faith.
The only choice left for the Olympians is to foul the Defenders of Faith in this 4 seconds, just a short time. Bayani now fouled by De Los Angeles. And comes up short on that first free throw. A chance to bring the lead to 3 points. And gets that shot. Now a 3-pointer will tie this game. And that's gonna be it. The Daraga National High School completes a bounce back and wins it against the ASEA Olympians with 3 points. 79-76. We'll be right back after our short break. Once again, this is Bucal Season 6, where future rise.
Welcome to Unibersidad de Sta Isabel, a place where excellence meets service. Here at USI, we empower our students with knowledge and skills and inspire to make a difference. Begin your journey to excellence and service with us.
Eyes on the target, because it is time. One target, one mission. Designed for real-world challenges. Unlock your potential today at Naga College Foundation, College of Criminal Justice Education.
Leap into the limitless possibilities at the Naga College Foundation Incorporated College of Computer Studies, where your journey to becoming a tech visionary begins. We provide cutting-edge curriculum and state-of-the-art facilities to create an ideal setting for hands-on learning and innovation. We offer 4 programs where you will develop your critical thinking and problem-solving, equipped with technical skills in fostering professional growth. Your future in tech starts here. Choose NCF College of Computer Studies.
Our best player of the game is brought to you by KD Sportswear and Apparel, the best jersey maker in Naga City. At dugong Defenders of Fate nga ang nangibabaw for this game. Our best player of the game is jersey number 31 with 19 points, 7 rebounds, 3 assists, and 7 steals. He is none other than the team captain, Mark De Guzman. Hello Mark, grabe, what a thrilling game against the STI Olympians. Matanong lang kita, dahil 7 lang kayong naglaro at wala yung iba nyong teammates, ano ba yung naging motivation mo para maipanalo itong larong ito against the STI?
Sumunod lang po kay na coach at tiwala lang po sa taas and lakas lang ng loob and team commitment.
Mark, as the team captain of the Defenders of Fate, ano ba yung lagi mong reminder sa mga teammates mo bago kayo pumasok or bago kayo maglaro na alam mong makakatulong sa kanila sa tagalaro na sasalangan nyo?
Yun nga po, wag sa kanila mawala yung yung tiwala sa sarili at lakas ng loob lang and yun lang po.
Mark, matanong lang kita kanina dahil git-gitan yung laban, grabe, dikit na dikit yung score. Ikaw sa team captain, ano ba yung ginawa mong adjustment sa loob ng court para maipanalo din ang laban na ito?
Yung depensa namin po, yung sa outside shooting nila, dapat mapigilan namin yung 3-point shooting niya. Yun lang.
Dahil Mark, ikaw ang ating best player of the game, batiin mo na mga gusto mong batiin.
And shoutout po sa family ko dyan sa Legazpi City at yung mga tropa ko po dyan sa Rizal and sa girlfriend ko po. And thank you po kay na coach sa tiwala palagi at sa Panginoon. Yun lang.
Thank you so much and congratulations. There you have it. That is our best player of the game from the Defenders of Fate, the team captain, jersey number 31, Mark De Guzman. This has been your courtside reporter, Kayla Casulya. Balik sa inyo, LA and Jasper.
And there you have it. The KD Sportswear player of the game is none other than number 31, Mark Christian De Guzman of the Daraga National High School with 19 points, 7 rebounds, 3 assists, and 7 steals. Congratulations to the Daraga National High School for coming up against the STI Olympians as they avenged their loss against the USI Falcons. They are now 6-1 in the win-loss column, while the STI Olympians is 4-3 in our win-loss column.
And once again, this is Jasper Abante and maraming salamat po sa lahat ng bumati at sa lahat ng tumutok dito sa ating Facebook Live from our first quarter up until dito sa ating fourth and last quarter. Susunod na ang bakbakan ng Annunciation Panthers and the ACLC in the Juniors Division.
Yeah, it's in Division 1.
Makakasama nyo si Sir Mark Amante and si Ma'am Christine Reyes. Once again, this is Jasper Abante.
I am LA Lapid. Tutok lamang sa mga aabangan pang aksyon dito lang sa Bucal Season 6 where Futurize at dito sa may init na aksyon at tagpo dito sa Oragon Sports TV,
Liga ng mga Kampyon.